This video will talk you through the suggested method for constructing and installing Maybe Hire's lightweight and flexible four-sided map box. To enable quick and easy assembly of the box sides, first lay timber skids on flat and level ground. Using the finger grips as a handling aid, place the aluminium panels on top of the skids, ensuring they interlock with one another. Once all the panels are in place, fix the posts to both sides of the panel using post pins and R-clips. Assemble the left and right sides whilst the first panel remains on the timber skids. Working from the bottom up, insert panels into the posts and fix with pins and R-clips as you go. Use the top holes on each post to secure the lifting attachments with pins and R-clips. Lift the fourth, pre-assembled side into position above the three-sided box, so the post jaws are facing downwards. Slot into the edge of the panels and secure. Fit the two remaining lifting attachments and secure with pins and R-clips. Excavate the ground to the required depth. Attach lifting chains to the two lowest lifting attachments and rotate the box into a vertical position. Attach the remaining two lifting chains and place the map box into a pre-dug excavation. Please note that assembled boxes must only be lifted from designated red lifting points. Immediately install edge protection to create as safe a working environment as possible in and around the trench. Before removing the lifting chains, tighten the edge protection and use a ladder for access. Be aware of possible ground pressures to the sides of the box. If resistance is met when lifting the assembled box, excavate the ground adjacent to the sides first. To remove the box, attach a four-legged lifting chain before removing the edge protection and ladder. Ease the box out of the excavation, rocking it gently from side to side as necessary. Dismantling the box is the reverse of assembly. Once complete, all equipment should be cleaned and stacked ready for reuse or collection. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our website.